picked up this handheld machine from someone that's given it me, saying that it doesn't work. He wants me to have a look at it, see if I can get it working for him. Not seen this one before. It's a game called Earth Invaders. No idea what it does, what it plays like, but yeah, he said that he's tried it and he can't get any life out of it at all.
Come. Stay. Completely dead. Voltage. That's it. 6.25. Sounds good. This is good. Yeah, okay. Have we got a common between there and there? There and there? No. Interesting. Why have we got two? So we should have something on one of these. So that must be the ground, but I was expecting also to have a connection from there to there. Or there to there. And I don't. Okay, but yellow's positive. Yellow is positive. Okay. So we've got batteries in. So I should be getting 6 volts from there to the yellow one. Yes. So it is not a power issue coming in. So that means I'm going to have to take this apart, forget the batteries for a bit. I'll probably just inject it so I can make it a bit easier to work with. Let's do that. Let's do that. So, batteries out for now. So, set to 6 volts, turn it on. Can I stay on there? Yep. Turn that on. And boom. Right, so a quick look. It's drawing 0.04 of an amp. I've got it limited to 0.5 of an amp, and it's drawing 0.4, which is not much at all. And it still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. Come on, I've kicked off now. Right, is that enough? Why is there a screw there? I need you. I need you. Wow. Big switch. Oh, that's going to be fun to work on, isn't it? Daughter board of a soldered on ribbon cable. Oh my god. These things just floating. Yep. Okay. Right, we'll watch the football. Interesting. Got some caps with some marks on it. Someone been in there before. Couple of transistors. Don't know what that is. I've seen that before. Don't know what they are. I might look that up. Couple of caps. Chip. Diodes. There's not much to it. I think the first thing to do is to try and trace this fault. I'm going to take this off of here and I'm going to trace that voltage going in and see how far I can see it going around the board. Do that later. Might actually be interesting, this one. So putting in just over 6 volts and it's reading about 5.8, so something's pulling the voltage down a little bit. Just double checking why I'm pushing into it. So I'm going to just start to go round and feel to see if anything's getting particularly hot. There's no big current draw, so I'm not really expecting anything to get hot, but just going around and feeling all the obvious components. Hello. Should not have continuity. Continuity across that cap. Let's take that cap out. Too many people take second best. I don't take anything else. It's got to be you. Stay still. Yeah, it was not ever going to be the first thing I tested. Well, the short's gone. But this isn't coming up as short either. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 44.5 capacitor. There's a 47. Didn't need that. I don't think it's that much. Let's put another one in anyway. What is it? 10 volts, 47 microfarad. 47 plus on that side, minus on that side.
Just testing the diodes here. There's one diode that was passing voltage in both directions. So I'm just lifting the leg out, taking it out of circuit. I'm going to test it again out of circuit, see if it does the same thing. And out of circuit it tests fine.
Oh dear.
So next I'm testing the transistors. So I've left my multimeter in diode mode and I'm just going across the different pins, and one of them doesn't look right. I'm not getting the readings I would expect. So I'm going to try and remove that next and test that out of circuit. Hello. Unknown faulty component. We may, ladies and gentlemen, we may have a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. This is a D467. Replacement transistors have arrived. Can't remember how to wire it up. Right, it's been that long. Which one was it? This one. Right, that's the old one. Get the new one in. There it goes. So, in the end, let's have a look. In the end, the old one was a D467. And I went with a replacement D592A. That was the closest one I could get that wasn't too expensive. Get some solder on here.
3. All good. Get rid of the legs. I've got to work out all the screws go if this works as well. Might be looking back at the old video. 1, 2, 3. Blue is positive, green is negative, and it's 6 volts. Green is negative. Green, red, positive. Yeah. 6 volts. Yeah. On. Oh! Look at that! Look at that. Right. On. Nice one. So it was just that transistor. Alright, I'm going to work out how to put this back together and give it a better test. I just solder those to that, and then this, it's been that long, I can't remember. This has to go in this way, so that sits in there, and these sit in there like that. Yeah, okay. Okay. How did that go? That way? Or flat? Wires underneath. Let's try this the other way round. Let's get rid of you for a second. Bring this in. Maybe this will make more sense. Come on. Big gorilla hands. And breathe. Okay. Okay. Have I put these in the wrong way around? Maybe that was. I think I have. Yeah, it makes sense actually if they were that way around. Which means I've also cleaned the wrong side. Because they go in the holes. It's those bits. Just keep this off the ground this time. Yep. Right, and we've got 4. Yeah. One. Need to keep it off the surface because the buttons stick out. If I put it flat, it pushes them back up, and then that's going to cause me all those headaches again. So I'm just trying to keep it off. If I can get these screws in to lock those stupid buttons in place. So that shows it. Doesn't actually look like there's a hole for this to go into. If it's snapped off or something. Oh, I just can't see it. Let's have a look. Well, so these are all the same size. Let's move this up. One. Two. It's a bit tight that. Let's just loosen this one off a bit. Right, stupid screwdriver. Yeah, this one's a bit better. The one that I need isn't here. Oh, that's better. That is better. Okay, slightly mis-centered. All the buttons are still in, that's good. Let's do the other side. 3 and 4. Hopefully we run out of screws and we get these in. Yeah, that's looking good. One. Two. 3. 4 batteries. 1. 2. 3. sound. Okay, right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, we've got a amateur and a pro setting. Let's go for amateur. So this is Earth Invaders. Oh, you're kidding me. Controls don't work. I should have tested that, shouldn't I? Nothing. If I put them in wrong. Ah, right, okay, out it comes again. Well, at least the batteries work, and at least I now know how to take it apart and put it back together. But why are those controls not working? It's probably to do with how I've lined everything up. Let's try. Put you in there, and then you over the top. The theory being is that maybe it's all conductive and it's just confusing the hell out of it, and when you press one of these things down it pushes through the holes. I should have really checked back at the video and looked, shouldn't I, as to how it was originally. I just assumed that that plastic cover was almost like a dirt protector, not to do this. Right, that's got to be it. It's got to be it. I'd like to say if I'd have done this sooner, I'd have remembered how it went back together, but even if I'd done it the next day, I'd have probably still forgot. Right. Flip it around, turn it on, turn it on. Oh, look at that. When you do it right. The little man moves. Come on, little man move. Amazing. Right. Right. Is it going to work? Can I work out how to play this thing? So dig and bury. Dig, bury. Dig. Can't move into those squares. Can't bury, can't dig. Earth Invaders. Okay, what about these zeros? Dig, bury, dig, dig. So is dig and bury not working? Or have I just not got a clue what to do? Just watched the video, I'm not quite sure, but it might have been that he was pressing a direction and one of these at the same time. Let's have a look. So I could still have problems with some buttons. This one's definitely working. If I hold bury in a direction, he doesn't move, but nothing happens. If I hold dig in a direction, see that? Oh, I don't get it. Do you hold it down longer? Oh, that's the secret. Right, okay. You hold the dig button down longer, so it's like, you know, literally like digging a hole. You don't just dig a hole instantly, you work at it. So hold dig and the direction for a longer period. Let's see if we can get some of these aliens to fall in my holes. They, then I meant to bury it, I think. So I've got an alien trapped over there. So can I get over? No, okay, resets. Fall in my hole. Right. Okay, surely. Hey, we've got an alien. No, I can't. There's an alien falling in my hole. No. So what? Why can't you just do this? Because they can't get to me. And the holes don't disappear. They stay there forever. I guess the problem with this tactic is there's no way for me to go. Come on, Mr. Alien. Woo! Yeah, you got no escape route if you do that tactic. Stupid game. Stupid game! But at least it's working. I wouldn't say it's a classic though.